Okay, in this first shot, I have a 5/10 graduated indicator set up on the end of the ball screw, and I'm going to incrementally jog the machine 100 thousandths in each direction. I've got about 5 or 6 tenths worth of travel here. Okay, in this shot, I have an indicator graduated in 1 thou increments set up on the table, indicating against the spindle of the machine. I currently have the lash compensation set to 0 on both the X and the Y axes. You can see that right here. Alright, I've got the machine set up in incremental mode, and we're going to move in 100 thousandth steps. Okay, we're on 0. There's 100 thousandths. Now we'll move back the other direction. And you can see we're coming up just a little over 4 thousandths short. I'm going to go into the controller now and enter the backlash back in. So I'm entering 4 thousandths and 8 tenths into the backlash compensator. Okay, we're going to bump it back in. 0 the gauge. Okay, there's 100 thousandths, and we'll go back the other direction. And we're back on 0. So you can see that the x-axis has 4 thousandths and 8 tenths worth of backlash. About 6 to 8 tenths of that is caused by the actual screw moving in the fixed end flange slightly. Here's just a little shot of what the x-axis fixed end looks like. Okay, here is what the y-axis setup looks like. I've got the 5/10 indicator set up on the end of the shaft here. We'll do the same test that we did on the x-axis. You can see we're getting about 5/10 out of it. We're bumping in 10 thou increments in one direction and then the other, looking for axial movement of the ball screw. We've got about 5/10 there. Okay, here is the setup to check the backlash on the y-axis. Got the mag base set up on the table. We're going to probe on the spindle again. Now I have the backlash compensation set to 0 in the controller again. And we're going to bump in incremental 100,000th increments. Zero the gauge. Okay. 100 thou. And back the other direction. And you can see we're coming up about 3 thousandths short, just over 3 thousandths. So now I'm going to go into the controller and set the backlash compensation to 3 thousandths and 1/10. Okay, and we'll repeat the test. You can see we're hitting 0 both directions now. 100 thou, back the other way, back on 0. So just over 3 thousandths worth of backlash on the y-axis.